Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude towards us. The strangest secret in the world is that you become what you think about. When you judge others, you do not define them. You define yourself. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. People with goals succeed because they know where they are going. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success. A great attitude is not the result of success. Success is the result of a great attitude. Your success will always be measured by the quality and quantity of service you render. Most people tiptoe through life, hoping to make it safely to death. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. A person who does not read is no better than one cannot read. Any person who contributes to prosperity must prosper in turn. We tend to live up to our expectations. Each of us creates his or her own life largely by our attitude. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Tell me which quotes you like the most.